Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 through 2024 Subaru Outback Wilderness with the factory raised side rails. We've just installed the Thule Wingbar Evo raised rail base rack system. This is utilizing Thule's Wingbar Evo load bars, 50 inches in length. Black is shown here, but silver is also available. And the Thule raised rail foot pack, which come in a set of 4. You can add locks to those foot packs if you want to add security, but it's not required. Overall, you have a max crossbar spacing of about 37 inches center to center, and a weight carrying capacity of up to 220 pounds. So a great system for not only bikes, kayaks, and cargo, but even bigger, heavier things like rooftop tents will be supported by this rack. Anyways, it's been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. So that's it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.